Hey guys, welcome to Investify, where we help you grow your wealth through smart investments. Today, we will journey through Jeremy Grantham's top $5 trillion stocks. Brace yourself for financial revelations that could reshape your investment strategy and secure your future. Let's begin right away. Microsoft Corporation takes the top spot on our list, and Jeremy Grantham's bullish stance on this tech giant centers on its foray into AI-driven software solutions. With businesses increasingly directing their IT spending towards AI, Microsoft's solid financial footing positions it to invest significantly in AI integration. Although AI initiatives are still in their early stages, their potential impact on EBITDA could reach a substantial 22.5%. Furthermore, Microsoft benefits from the global shift towards the public cloud as businesses migrate from on-premises workloads. In this evolving AI landscape, Microsoft is strategically positioned to capitalize on AI-driven innovations, particularly through its Copilot suite. The suite enhances the functionality of applications within customer workflows and could lead to substantial revenue growth. Microsoft Azure, the company's cloud platform, is another avenue for growth in the enterprise software, IT services, and communication services markets. With a net cash position and plans for the acquisition of Activision Blizzard, Microsoft is poised for significant AI-driven revenue expansion, potentially contributing to a remarkable 22.5% increase in the EBITDA. Given these promising prospects, Microsoft is a compelling addition to investment portfolios. Number 2. Meta Platforms Incorporated. Meta Platforms Incorporated takes the second spot in Jeremy Grantham's GMO Asset Management Holdings. The company's forward earnings multiples are currently below historical averages, reflecting investor caution regarding its ambitious metaverse project. Despite the valuation discount, there is potential for stock recovery, building on gains from lows experienced. Meta is trading with a forward EBITDA multiple of 9.6x, notably lower than its average of 15.1x. However, its free cash flow multiples must be considered due to the capital expenditure required for the metaverse vision and AI investments. While capital expenditures are expected to decrease in the current year, they are projected to rise until fiscal year 2025. The company's advancements in AI and potential disruptive technologies position it as a competitor against giants like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI. Technical analysis suggests potential support levels indicating a resurgence in Meta's medium-term upward trend. In Jeremy Grantham's GMO Asset Management Holdings, Meta Platforms holds a prominent position due to its potential and competitive positioning. Number 3. United Health. United Health claims the third spot on our list, and here's why it's poised for trillion-dollar potential. As the largest healthcare plan corporation in the United States, United Health is currently trading 12% below its historical peak. While facing economic uncertainties and interest rate fluctuations, its core business remains robust. United Health boasts approximately $46 billion in long-term investments and $42 billion in cash and equivalents, primarily consisting of available-for-sale assets, including corporate debt, state and municipal bonds, and U.S. agency mortgage-backed securities. Most of its debts matures within a decade. Although recent interest rate increases had a negative impact, signs suggest that worse may be behind them. Trading at 13.5 times next 12 months EBITDA, United Health presents an enticing valuation, especially considering its projected double-digit EBITDA growth rates. Factoring in net debt and applying a multiple of 14 times, the stock appears undervalued by around 27 to 30%. With a solid balance sheet, historical and expected growth, and consistent dividend growth, United Health remains an appealing choice for dividend growth investors seeking long-term potential. And now before we continue, remember to show your support by giving this video a big thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and ringing that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Coming in, the fourth stock on our list, Apple Incorporated. Despite a recent stock price dip driven by mixed earnings, Apple appears poised for a near-future resurgence. potentially dispelling valuation concerns and sparking a short to mid-term recovery. In quarter 3, Apple reported a 1.4% year-over-year revenue decrease, meeting expectations but facing challenges with declined iPhone sales for the third consecutive quarter. However, optimism surrounds Apple's outlook, fueled by market share gains in India, CEO Tim Cook's anticipation of improved sales and services in quarter 4, a new iPhone release, strategic initiatives such as tablet upgrades and advanced M3 chips, a growing wearable business, and the upcoming Vision Pro headset launch in 2024. The robust services sector continues to drive growth, with a substantial user base ripe for future monetization. Now for the fifth or last stock on our list, Alphabet Incorporated. Alphabet Incorporated is undervalued despite the tech sector's strength. Its dominance in search, investments in AI, and responsiveness to digital advertising contribute to its potential. Analysts expect Alphabet's profitability to grow, projecting Google's EBITDA margin to rise from 27.7% in 2023 to 29.9% in 2027, contingent on Google Cloud scaling and leveraging its potential. Quarter 2 2023 saw Google Cloud's revenue grow by 28%, underscoring its appeal. Over 70% of generative AI unicorns are Google Cloud customers, while Microsoft's Intelligent Cloud and Amazon's AWS set margin benchmarks. High stock prices don't necessarily mean a company is expensive. Identifying promising firms for long-term growth is key. In conclusion, Jeremy Grantham's insight into these potential trillion-dollar stocks offer a valuable glimpse into the investment landscape. It's a call to action, urging investors to explore opportunities that could redefine their financial future. Which of Jeremy Grantham's top 5 stocks are you most interested in? Share your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell for more updates here on Investify.